Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to earn $5,000 per month working from home using TikTok and YouTube. Are you ready to turn your passion for content creation into a lucrative online career? In this video, we'll dive deep into proven strategies and actionable tips to help you harness the power of TikTok and YouTube to achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a seasoned creator looking to boost your income or a newcomer eager to embark on this exciting journey, this video is your roadmap to success. Get ready to unlock the secrets of monetization, build a loyal audience, and make your dream of earning $5,000 per month a reality, all from the comfort of your home. Earning a consistent $5,000 per month solely from TikTok may be challenging, as TikTok primarily monetizes through its creator fund, brand partnerships, and affiliate marketing. However, it's not impossible to generate income from TikTok if you're dedicated and strategic. Here's a potential approach to maximize your earnings. Build a niche following. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and where you can provide unique content. This could be anything from comedy sketches to educational content or product reviews. Consistent posting. Regularly post high-quality content to keep your audience engaged. Aim for at least one post per day or several posts per week. Grow your following. Utilize TikTok's features such as trending hashtags, challenges, and duets to increase your visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, apply for the TikTok Creator Fund. This program pays creators based on their video views and engagement. Brand partnerships. As your following grows, brands may approach you for sponsored content or collaborations. Make sure to maintain authenticity and only promote products or services that align with your brand and audience. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands through affiliate marketing programs. You can earn commissions by promoting products or services and including affiliate links in your video descriptions. Sell merchandise. Once you have a dedicated fanbase, consider selling merchandise such as branded clothing, accessories, or digital products. Offer services or consulting. If you have expertise in a particular area, offer services or consulting sessions related to your niche. For example, if you're a fitness influencer, you could offer personalized training plans or nutrition advice. Diversify your platforms. While TikTok can be a lucrative platform, it's essential to diversify your income streams. Consider expanding to other platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Twitch to reach a broader audience and increase your earning potential. Join the TikTok Creator Fund and earn money based on video views. Collaborate with brands on sponsored content. Participate in influencer marketing campaigns. Offer shout-outs or promotional videos for other users or businesses. Create and sell merchandise or branded products. Provide consulting services or coaching in your niche. Host live events or workshops for your audience. Offer exclusive content or behind-the-scenes access through paid subscriptions. Monetize your expertise by offering online courses or tutorials. Create sponsored challenges or hashtag campaigns for brands. Offer personalized shout-outs or greetings for a fee. Provide social media management services for businesses or influencers. Collaborate with local businesses for sponsored content or promotions. Become a TikTok virtual assistant and offer administrative support services. Create sponsored content for affiliate marketing partners. Monetize your TikTok account by selling shout-outs or promotions to other TikTok creators. Partner with brands to create branded filters, stickers, or effects for TikTok. Remember to comply with TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service while monetizing your content on the platform. Additionally, focus on providing value to your audience and building authentic connections to maximize your earning potential on TikTok. Remember that building a successful career on TikTok takes time, dedication, and creativity. It may not happen overnight, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can work towards earning $5,000 per month or more from the comfort of your home. Earning $5,000 per month from YouTube can be achievable with dedication, consistency, and strategic planning. Here's a roadmap to help you reach that goal. Choose a niche. Select a niche that you're passionate about and where you can provide valuable content. It could be anything from gaming, cooking, beauty tutorials, educational content, or vlogs. Niching down can help you target a specific audience and grow your subscriber base faster. Create high-quality content. Invest in creating high-quality videos with good production value. Ensure your videos are engaging, informative, entertaining, or solve a problem for your viewers. Consistency is key, so aim to upload videos on a regular schedule. whether it's once a week or multiple times per week. Optimize for search. Optimize your videos for search engines by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results and attract more organic traffic to your channel. Monetize your channel. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, apply for YouTube's partner program to monetize your channel through ads. You can also explore other revenue streams such as channel memberships, super chat, and merchandise shelf. Build a strong community. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, hosting live streams, and interacting on social media. Building a loyal community can increase viewer retention and encourage more people to support your channel through memberships or donations. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help you reach a wider audience and attract more subscribers. Look for opportunities to collaborate on videos, shoutouts, or joint projects. Diversify your income. Don't rely solely on ad revenue. Explore other income streams such as sponsored content, affiliate marketing, selling digital products or merchandise, and offering online courses or consulting services. Promote your channel. Promote your YouTube channel on other social media platforms, your website or blog, and through email newsletters. Cross-promotion can help attract new subscribers and grow your channel faster. Track your progress. Keep track of your channel analytics to understand what content resonates with your audience and what strategies are working best for growth and monetization. Adjust your approach accordingly to optimize your results. Utilize multiple traffic sources. Diversify your traffic sources by leveraging platforms like your website or blog, social media, email marketing, SEO, and paid advertising to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. Track and analyze your results. Monitor your affiliate marketing efforts closely using analytics tools to track clicks, conversions, and commissions. Analyze your data to identify what's working well and optimize your strategies accordingly. Build an email list. Capture leads and build an email list to nurture relationships with your audience over time. Send out regular newsletters with valuable content and affiliate promotions to drive sales. Offer incentives. Provide incentives such as bonuses, discounts, or exclusive content to encourage your audience to purchase through your affiliate links. Continuously learn and improve. Stay updated on industry trends, best practices, and new affiliate opportunities. Continuously refine your strategies to maximize your earnings potential. Channel memberships. Enable channel memberships to allow your subscribers to support you with monthly payments in exchange for perks like exclusive content, badges, or emojis. Super Chat and Super Stickers. Enable Super Chat and Super Stickers during live streams to allow viewers to purchase highlighted messages or stickers, with a portion of the proceeds going to you. Merchandise shelf. Sell merchandise directly on your YouTube channel using the merchandise shelf feature. You can offer branded merchandise such as clothing, accessories, or digital products. YouTube Premium Revenue. Earn a share of YouTube Premium revenue based on the watch time of your content by opting into the YouTube Partner Program. Crowdfunding. Use crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi to allow your fans to support you with monthly pledges or one-time donations in exchange for exclusive perks. Selling digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, templates, or presets related to your channel's niche. Selling physical products. Develop and sell physical products related to your channel's content, either through your own online store or platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Channel sponsorships. Secure sponsorships from companies or brands that align with your channel's content. Negotiate sponsorship deals to promote their products or services in your videos. Fan funding. Encourage your viewers to support your channel through direct donations using platforms like PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. License your content. License your videos to media outlets, production companies, or advertisers for use in commercials, documentaries, or other projects. Consulting or coaching. Offer consulting or coaching services related to your channel's niche. Provide personalized advice, guidance, or mentorship to individuals or businesses. Events and workshops. Host live events, workshops, or meetups for your audience. Charge admission fees or offer premium tickets with exclusive benefits. Create sponsored content, product reviews, or endorsements for brand partners. Affiliate links in descriptions. Include affiliate links in the descriptions of your videos to promote products or services mentioned in your content. Ensure transparency by disclosing your affiliate relationships. Product placements. Integrate products or brands into your videos in a natural and non-intrusive way. Negotiate payment or compensation for featuring products in your content. Teaching or tutoring, share your expertise by offering online courses, tutorials, or workshops related to your channel's niche. Monetize your knowledge and skills through paid educational content. Content creation services, provide content creation services such as video editing, graphic design, or script writing for businesses, brands, or other creators. Offer custom video packages or freelance services. Remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay persistent, continue to learn and improve your skills, and don't get discouraged by slow progress. With dedication and the right strategies, you can work towards earning $5,000 per month from YouTube while working from home. And there you have it. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember, earning $5,000 per month working from home with TikTok and YouTube is within your reach if you're willing to put in the time, effort, and creativity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable tips and insights on growing your online presence and maximizing your earning potential. Together, let's turn your passion into profit and make your dreams a reality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.